Hey guys, welcome back to one of my videos. I have a really cool unboxing video today. It was my birthday a few days ago and we were in Disney, so I went to the Lego store and we got some Legos sent out. So it actually came in 2 boxes. So I'm gonna open them. Here's the first box. I've been waiting like all day for them. Excuse the noise in the background, it's just the washer. There we go. Getting it. Okay. So what's in this one? That receipt, bubbles. So with every purchase over $75, you get a free shipping and exclusive spaceman magnet person. Okay, so in this box, the first one that we pull out is Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. They're all different varieties, like categories. This is the only Star Wars one. It's 251 pieces, ages 7 to 12. Yeah. And then this one is a 2010, recently released Lego Space Police Lunar Limo. It has 391 pieces. Comes with 3 minifigures, Jawson and Brick Daddy. And then the last one in this box. Oh, hold on. Is actually one I've been waiting for. I've been actually wanting to get this one. Lego Prince of Persia, my first Prince of Persia set. Quest Against Time, 506 pieces. So now I'm gonna open the last box. This actually only has 1 set in it, but I don't know why they couldn't just get a bigger box for this. They didn't have to put it in 2. So yeah, if you go to a Lego store in like downtown Disney, they'll actually send it home for you. If it's over $100, they'll send it free shipping. UPS comes in like little 1 day, like 6 days, less than a week. Okay. This was another one I kind of wanted. I was a little iffy on getting it, but a lot of bubbles. That's the receipt, the VIP, and here it is. It's the Lego Toy Story 3 Dump Truck Getaway, I think it is. Garbage Truck Getaway. It's 402 pieces. And yeah. So I'm gonna go build these and hopefully I'll have reviews. Hopefully not. Well, I mean, maybe not. I don't know. See ya.